51. 15 cube plus 4 cube by 15 square plus 4 square minus k equal to how much? 19. What is the value of k here? What is the 15 cube value? 3375. What is the 4 cube value? 64. Both are adding 3 4 3 9 3 4 3 9. It is divided by which one? 19. 19 how many times? 1 time. What is the remaining? 153. 153 means 19 how many times? 8 times. What is the remaining? 19. That is how many times? 181 times. That 181 equal to which one? 15 square plus 4 square minus k. What is the 15 square? 225. What is the 4 square? 16 minus k. 225 plus 16, 241. What is the difference between 181 and 241? 60 means k value are 60. Next question number 52. The value of 2 sin theta into cos theta is same as which are the following? What is the 2 sin theta into cos theta? Sin 2 theta. What is the theta value? 30. Then sin 2 theta means sin 60. Next question number 53. The profit earned by selling a jacket for 9610 is equal to the loss incurred by selling the same jacket for 7690. Means first case is getting profit, second case is getting loss. Profit equal to loss. Profit equal to loss means cost price equal to average of selling prices or sum of the selling price. Average of selling price means both are adding by 2. And here 10 plus 90 how much? 100. 7600 plus 100. 7700 plus 9600. Total it is 17300 by how much value? 2. That will be 8650. 8650. That is cost price or selling price? Cost price. But we required again 10% profit. Then we are adding 10% value. What is the 10%? 865. At the end of 50 plus 65, end with 15. Which option? Third option. Or 10% profit means it will be 110%. Then answer must be 11 multiple. We required selling price, that will be 110%. Means we required 11%. First option is 11 multiple. No. Second option? Yes. Third option? Yes. Two options are. Next question number 55. Sides of a triangle are 12 centimeters and 9 centimeters and 9 centimeters are given. What is the radius of the circumcircle of this triangle? The required circumcircle of radius of the which one? Circumcircle of triangle. All the three sides are different. Okay, then we written radius value, it is equal to ABC by 4 into, it is which triangle? Scalene triangle. What is the scalene triangle area? S into S minus A. Two sides are equal. Means R equal to, two sides are equal. R equal, aina kuda same ostadi, em problem ledhu. R equal to which one? ABC by, actually it is isosceles triangle. Aina same ostadi, problem. R equal to ABC by 4 into S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. If three sides are different, what is the area of written? Square root of S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus. In the two sides are same means in place of B we written B, in place of C we written B or not. We are get the same area. Not problem. Suppose what is the equal triangle area? Root 3 by 4 into A square. Substitute the sides here. A value, B value, C value. All are in A. Substitute the values in that formula. We are get the same result. Okay. Root 3 by 4 into A square. S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. What is the S value? A plus B plus C by 2. but A value are A, B value also A, C value also A means written 3A by 4 and means S value 3A by 4. S minus A means 3A by 4 minus A and next 3A by 4 minus A. Next one 3A by 4 minus A and we are get the negative into negative means we are get the positive one. Okay, obviously we are get the root 3 by 4 into A square value. Okay, actual formula are it is S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus. Either it is scalar triangle or equivalent triangle or isosceles triangle. We are using the same formula, but compared to that one, it will be lengthy wise. Only this case we are using a root. Okay, remaining cases direct formula we written. Normal, what is the formula for all the triangles? S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. Okay, and here what are the three sides are given? A, B, C are given. Means R equal to what is the A value 12, B value 9, C value are 9 by 4 into square root of S into S minus A. What is the S value? All the three sides are adding by 12 means 30 by 2. How much? 15 means S value are 15. 15 into S minus A 3, S minus B 6, S minus B C 6 then R equal to written 12 into 9 by what is the denominator 4 into 6 into 6 that will be 36 means 15 3 is how much 45 that one we written 4 into 45 means that is 9 into 5 means written 3 root 5 into square root of 36 means 6 okay 12 into 9 108 3 into 6 18 how many times 6 times okay 2 times 2 how many times 3 times what is the numerator 27 by denominator 2 root 5 27 by 2 root 5 what is the first option 27 root 5 by 10 that one we written 27 root 5 by 10 means written root 5 into 2 root 5 cancel what is the remaining 27 by 2 root 5 next question number 55 a number will be divisible by which one 5 if it's a unit digit must be either 5 or 0 next question number 56 in a mixture milk and water are in the ratio of which one 1:4 some milk is added to the mixture because of which ratio of milk and water becomes 2:1 how much milk was added to, as a percentage of initial mixture initially milk and water are in which ratio 1:4 and here only milk is added or water is added milk is added means water is constant what is the water in first one 4 parts but water in second one 1 part means second ratio multiplied by 4 times 4 2 the how much 8 4 1 the 4 water gets constant means milk is how many parts are increasing 7 parts what is the question here how much milk was added as a percentage of initial mixture how many parts of milk is added 7 parts it is what percent of initial mixture initial mixture is how many parts 5 parts then we return 7 by 5 into 100 what is the percentage 140%. Next question number 57 P alone can complete a piece of work in how many days 10 days while Q alone can complete the same piece of work in 15 days to complete the work in how many days 4 days R is higher by P and Q means PQR can complete the work in how many days 4 days what is the question here how many days R take to complete the worker okay what is the LCM of 10 comma 15 comma 4 60 means total work is how many parts 60 parts 10 how many times 6 times 15 4 times 6 plus 4 means it is which one efficiency P and Q are only P and Q and what is the PQR time 4 days then PQR efficiency 15 parts PQR efficiency 15 parts in that P and Q efficiency 10 parts 15 minus 10 we are get the which one efficiency R efficiency okay 60 by 5. How many days? 12 days, sir. 3% efficiency minus 2% efficiency. We are getting the R efficiency. 60 by 5. We are getting how many days? 12 days. Next question number 58. A square PQRS has area 441 centimeter square. The biggest possible semicircle is cut from the side PQ. Find the perimeter of a semicircle. What the square area is given? 441. What the side of a square? 21. And here a square PQRS means all the four sides are same or different? Same. And here the biggest possible semicircle is cut from the side PQ, means this is a semicircular. Okay, means the diameter of a semicircle, it is also equal to which one? Side of a square. What is the side of a square? A. That is equal to diameter of a semicircle. Means 2 are equal to how much? 21. 2 are equal to 21. R equal to how much? 21 by 2. But require which one? Perimeter of a semicircle. But the perimeter of a semicircle formula 36 by 7 into R. Circle 44 by 7 into R. Semicircle 36 by 7 into R. Next, quadrant 25 by 7 into R. Circle circumference 44 by 7 into R. Semicircle circumference 36 by 7 into R. Quadrant circumference 25 by 7 into R. Substitute the radius, 36 by 7 into what is the radius? 21 by 2. 7 how many times? 3 times. 2 how many times? 18. 18 3 is 54. Next question number 59. Which of the following is the smallest among the given values, sir? Okay. First, all are in. What are the powers here? 1 by 3, 1 by 2, 1 by 6, 1 by 12. First, powers are converted to integers, sir. Actually, powers are given in fractions, sir. Those are converted to integers. Take the LCM of denominators or numerators. Denominator. What are the denominators? 3, 2, 6, 12. What is the LCM? 12. Means every fraction is multiplied by 12. Means 14 power 1 by 3 into 12. Means 14 power 4. 12 power 1 by 2 into 12. That will be 12 power 6. Next, 16 power 1 by 6 into 12. That is 16 square. And 25 power 1 by 12 into 12 means we are getting 25 power 1. What is the question here? Smallest one or largest one? Smallest one. Which one is the smallest? 25. What is the answer? Fourth optional. Next question number 60. Sine of c plus d equal to root 3 by 2. Root 3 by 2 means sine how much? 60 or 30? 60 means c plus d equal to how many degrees? 60 degrees, sir. Secant of c minus d equal to 2 by root 3. That is represents 30 or 40? 30 means secant 30. Then c minus d equal to how much? 30 degrees, sir. We know the c plus d and we know the c minus d. But we required which one? Value of c and d. C means adding by 2 or subtracting by 2? Adding by 2 means 45. D means subtracting by 12. D equal to how much? 15. What is the answer? 45 and 15. Third optional. Next, question number 61. X square plus 1 by x square equal to 38. We required x minus 1 by x. First of all, x square plus 1 by x square minus 2. That is equal to how much? 36. 36. Left hand side value written x minus 1 by x whole power 2. Right hand side value written 6 square. Then x minus 1 by x equal to how much? 6. The answer 6. Plus 38. In the 2 are subtracting, it will be becomes right hand side. Or minus 2 means right hand side also minus 2. Next question number 62. Of the 5 subjects, the average marks Rajesh in first 3 subjects were 75. and average marks in the last 3 subjects were 82. If his marks in the third subject was how much? 66. What was the average marks in all the 5 subjects? Okay. What are the first 3 subjects marks? 75. 75 into 3, 225. 225. What are the third subject marks? 66. 225 minus 66. 9, 12 or 15? 15. 159. That 159 is how many papers marks? How many? First 2 papers or last 2 papers? First 2 papers. And last 3 papers already given. 82. Average 82 means sum will be 246. It is sum of how many papers? 5 papers. First 2 papers and last 3 papers. Total how many papers? 5 papers. Divide by 5. 159 plus 246. That will be 405. Divide by how much? 5. What is the answer? 81. Or 6 papers data minus 1 paper. We are get the 5 papers marks. 3 into 75 plus 3 into 82 minus 66 divide by 5. In numerator, which one are common? 3 commoner. Numerator 3 commoner. Any cancellation in denominator? No. Definitely answer will be 3 multiple. But 2 options are only 1. 2 options. Next question number 63. Nutan gets 2 offers by loan from a bank and app. The app offered 10,000 at 15% per annum compounded annually for 2 years, and the bank offered the same amount at the rate for the same time but on simple interest. Find the difference between the interest. Means required difference between compound interest and simple interest for how many years? 2 years. 2 years difference means written R% of principal. R% of principal. That is equal to difference in 2 years or only 1 year? 2 years. 15% means 2 zeros. 15% means 2 zeros. Total 4 zeros are cancelled. 15 into 15. 225. Next 64. Weight of Ayush and Abhishek are in which ratio? 8:5. Abhishek weight is increased by 40% and the total weight of Ayush and Abhishek both are increased by 60%. If the total weight becomes how much? 104 kgs. What is the question here? What is the weight of the Ayush after incremental? Okay. Abhishek, Ayush is how many parts? 8 parts. Abhishek 5 parts. But Abhishek weight is increased by 40%. Means written 40% of how many parts? Abhishek or Ayush? Abhishek means 40% of how many parts? 5 parts plus some person increased on 8 parts. That is equal to what is the overall increase? 60%. What is the overall increase for 2%? 60%. 60% of which one? 13 parts. What is the left hand side? Increased value on Abhishek plus increased value on Ayush. It is equal to increased value on both the persons are only one. Both the persons are 4 how many times here? 10 times. 4 2 times. 4 15 times. And 10 into 5 50. 15 into 13 195. 195 minus 50. 145 divided by 12 means question mark equal to 145 by 12 means how much percent are increased? 74.5% increase or decrease? 145 means 72.5. 72.5% increase on which one? Abhishek or Ayush? Ayush. What is the question here? What is the weight of the Ayush after increment or before increment? After increment. After increment means we required after increased value of 2 persons or only one. Only Ayush or Abhishek. Only Ayush. But total weight becomes how many kgs here? 104. That 104 will be after increase or before increase? After increase of the 2 persons or only one? 2 persons. First one, it is 140% of 8 parts. 140% of 8 parts. 140% of 5 parts. Wait, ఇంత చేయకండి, ఇంకొంచెం ఈజీగా వచ్చేస్తుంది ఆన్సర్. What is the second one increased by how much? 40%. What is the second one is how many parts? 5 parts. Means we return 140% of 5 parts. What is the actual ratio? 8:5. Total how many parts initially? 13 parts. On 5 parts, how much percent are increased? 40%. It will become 7 parts. Next, overall, it becomes how much? 104 kgs. 104 kgs. That 104 kgs, it will be equal to overall increased by how much percent? 60%. 60% increase means already it is 13 parts. Increased by 60% means what is the 60% of 13? 7.8. 13 plus 7.8. 20.8 means 104. It is equal to how many parts? 20.8 parts. Means 20.8 parts equal to how much value? 104. 104 means it is exactly 5 times or 4 times? 5 times. Every 1 part equal to how much? 5. 1 part value 5. And what is the question here? What is the weight of Ayush after increment or before increment? After. What is the 1 part value? 5. 7 parts value? 35. Out of 104, 35 is which one? Abhishekar. What is the remaining? 69. That is which one? Ayush after incrementer. If you are required percentage, in previous one are using, but here we required only quantity, sir. That's why directly we are taken 8:5 ratio. One will be 8 parts, another one 5 parts. Total it is 13 parts, sir. In that 60% are increased means it will become 20.8 parts. That 20.8 parts equal to how much? 104. Every 1 part is how much? 5. But we required after increment value of Ayush. What is the Abhishek value after increment? 7 parts. 7 parts are 35. Out of 104 we are subtracting 35. What is the remaining? 69.